Mailerlite tutorial for beginners, the ultimate guide to email automation with Mailerlite 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing a great email automation software. It's called Mailerlite and it's so easy to use. It's really simple and we're going to be getting into great depth with all of this. So yeah, all I want you to do is watch this video till the end. Listen to all the information I have to provide you with, and if you do all of that properly and do it by the end, then I guarantee you that you're going to fully learn how to, do email automation properly. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, basically, here's the Mailerlite website. So Mailerlite.com. Create, email marketing, automations, landing pages, sign up forms, websites, and much, much more that your audience will love. Digital marketing tools to grow your audience faster and drive revenue smarter. Backed by 24/7 award-winning support and much, much more. Obviously, you can check out the very friendly UI, user interface. You can check it out. You can see that it provides you integrations with one of the great softwares out there like Stripe, Zapier, Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, PayPal, Facebook, and much, much more. So to get straight into it, we're going to first of all go ahead and discuss the pricings, okay? Because obviously that's an essential. So here we are. Now, pricing. We believe pricing should be straightforward, fair, and affordable for all businesses. So here we have in the marketing. Obviously, you're going to choose what type you want. So there's the marketing and then there's the transactional. There's two different pricings, okay? Now, I'm going to keep the marketing bit right now because obviously I only want email automation. We don't want to get too roughly into this stuff. So once you're here, as you can see, all you need to grow your business online, okay? So advanced, growing business free. And then obviously you have the enterprise plan. So obviously we're going to be using the free one today. And in the free one, as you can see, there are great key features like the drag and drop editor, email automation builder, websites, 10 landing pages, sign up forms, and pop-ups. And in the growing business, obviously you can see all in this plus all these things, and same with advanced. So yeah, you get the point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right ahead over here and click on sign up for free. And here I am. So get started with a forever free plan. Sign up in seconds, no credit card required. So obviously you're going to go ahead and enter a company or an organization. You can write something like John's Company. Okay, I'm going to call it that. And once you do that, then you obviously have the name and everything. So I'm going to add in my name. Then comes the email address. Now, for the email address, I'm going to be going ahead and using a temp mail for myself. The reason I'm doing this is because obviously temp mails are disposable emails, and I know that I'm eventually going to dispose of the Mailerlite account that I have. So I'm just going to copy this, and once I come here, I'm going to come and paste it. You don't necessarily have to follow this step, like just go ahead and add your Gmail or something like that. That totally doesn't matter. So once we do this, I'm going to go ahead, set a good password. If it's acceptable, go ahead and create your account. So once you click on create my account, obviously from there on out, it takes you to the loading process. And here we are straight into the dashboard. So welcome to Mailerlite. It's great to have you here, all the basic stuff. Then obviously, first of all, you're going to have to go ahead and verify your email. So come to your temp mail, and here you can see it says, please verify your email address. Do go ahead and get yourself verified because, once you're verified, then you have the full scope and variety of features that you can, easily use. So here we are. Now they're also saying complete your profile with profile information. Obviously, you can go ahead and complete this. I'd say it is necessary because they ask you a few things like have you used other email marketing services and all that stuff. So you can just skim through this if you want to. And once you've obviously gone with all of this, add a website URL if there is any, and all that. So you get the point. Now, when it comes to the technicality and working of Mailerlite, first of all, here you have your dashboard. In the dashboard, obviously, you're going to see all the workings and stuff going on with your, automation system. Then comes campaigns. Obviously, we're here to discuss email automations, but you can also mess around with campaigns if you want to. So obviously, as I told you, for campaigns, you're going to go ahead and complete your profile, for them. So because obviously they do ask you all these things. And once you, enter information, maybe go ahead and enter random gibberish in this section. To be honest, they don't actually go ahead and actually check it out. And then obviously you're gonna go ahead, put in your industry and all that stuff. And once you do that, they choose a time zone and everything for you. So you're gonna then tell them your interests. Okay, obviously our interest is mostly automation, but I'd also choose the campaigning as well because the campaigning is also a pretty decent thing to have. And then obviously I'm again just skim through this. You don't really need to fill these in, but if you truly want to, just go ahead and do it. Totally upon you. And once you have done all of this and properly completed your profile, just click on next step, and you've finished everything. And once you've done that, from here all you're going to do is you're going to click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, obviously you're going to get redirected. So we're just going to wait for it. And here we are. So as you can see, your dashboard has been fully set it up, and you can start seeing all the features like creating campaign. You can create forms for yourself, create site, create automations. Obviously, this is the thing that we're going to be discussing. So let me just give you a brief overview although for all the things. So obviously here's your campaigns. Okay, you can create your ad campaigns and everything, and it's pretty simple stuff. But for your automations, obviously you're going to come down here on automation, you're going to click that, and here you are. So create your first automation, set it up once and let it do all the work. Build engagement with workflows that automatically send emails based on subscriber actions. Automate welcome emails, anniversaries, birthdays, and more. Use link triggers to activate email workflows, tag subscribers, guide customers, sell more products, and all that. So you're going to click on new automation. So what is an automation essentially? Automation is when one trigger triggers another action, and obviously like it's an automated, you could say it's an AI working in the back end. So like you have one more employee working for you, but it's not actually a human person, it's an automated, system. So it's a good thing to do that. And obviously you have all these templates, like you can have a simple welcome email, win back inactive, retargeting, renew promotion, all these templates that you can go ahead and choose from. One of the most famous ones is abandoned cart, and they provide you this automation, which is perfect in my opinion. But yeah, if you want to create your own automation, just go ahead, start building your own automation if you want to. So start from scratch, and as you can see, you're going to first of all set up a trigger of some kind. So as you can see, when subscriber joins a group, you're going to choose the group that they join, or when subscriber completes a form, go ahead, and once you do that, you can add more triggers for yourself. And once you've added triggers, add actions, click on save, and once you click on save, obviously your automation will go live, and from there on out you're going to be pretty much good to go. So once it's live, please do make sure to implement it with the data stream that you're originally working with your Mailerlite. And once you're done with that, yeah, that's essentially it. So that's how you're going to basically set up email automation with Mailerlite. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.